What's bubblegum poppin'? Hey y'all, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. So if you was at the previous video, you'll see that I made some Philly cheesesteak sandwiches with extra cheese. I have some nacho cheese on it. Also, I have provolone cheese, onion, mushrooms. Then over here, I have some seasoned French fries with nacho cheese sauce, bacon, and flaming hot Cheetos. So we're gonna go ahead and say grace and get started. All right, on to the intro.
Black denim.
All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and get started. So that, ooh, it's hot. Shit's hot. Mm. Mm. Hold on. I haven't put my head back in the ponytail. All right. Cool. Oh. Mm. 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 Oh. Hot fries on my hand. Mm. 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 Speechless. It's so good. So good. Jamal gonna bust in here any second now and try to beat me up. Mm. Mm. Where's that? The Fox and the Hound? No. Yo, what's the name of that dog movie? When they're eating the pasta. Mm. 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 That was so hot. Man. Y'all, I'm almost ashamed to be eating this in front of y'all right here. Sight. That's what I get. I burnt my lip. Being nasty. Mm. Y'all, I'm glad I did this. Because some of my tailors and fashionistas, I was tripping. Y'all feeling some type of way because my love for crawfish. I love crawfish. That's why I'm always eating them. Mm. I don't really care about other seafood. I mean, yes, I eat it. But when I'm chilling home by myself, you know, just chilling, and I'm like, hey, I want some seafood. But you know what? Let me just show my face on my YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? Let me just spark up something, a conversation with my fashionistas and tailors. Some of y'all be tripping. Yo, I know I'm a little oily. Hold on. Got it blocked. Blocked. We're still on the runway. Blocked. Okay. But on the real, y'all, I had to block some people and delete comments. Because my thing is, you do not have to be disrespectful because I eat crawfish. Right? Some people did like a simple question like, hey, you know, crawfish is cool, but we want to see you, you know, eat other things. I'm like, cool, you know, cool, I can understand. I feel you. But then you got other, damn, all you do is crawfish? Like, I'm like, girl, what? Block. You ain't my round, you supposed to be my ride or die. Period. Now you can't even watch my videos. See what happened? Mm-hmm. So I'm just saying, if you'd like to see more, let me know. Just comment below. But like, hey, try this. Hey, you think you can put together a recipe for this? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's all free game. Ain't no tea. Just a little bit of shade. But ain't no tea. It's spike punch. Sure. Ooh, chow. This is so good. So good. Ooh. That hot Cheeto did not want to be eaten. Period. That'll be alright. Yeah, this is really good. Yeah, I'm staring at this one. This is the biggest one. And I don't think I can eat it. Look at that. Still steaming. Girl, I am out of it, honey. But it's so good. Y'all, Jamal couldn't join me in this video. He's sick. He had an accident. He's okay. But he couldn't join me. Y'all, that idiot just called me, knowing that I'm in here recording. He's so stressful. So stressful. Can't do it, girl. But you know I'm recording. He in the next room. Our walls is hella thin. Should I do it, y'all? Should I do it? Ooh. That is hot. Y'all, I'm trying to push through. But I don't think I can do it. This hoagie is everything. It really is. My sandwich trying to come apart. Ooh. All right, y'all, that is a wrap. I'm probably gonna finish this for lunch or something. I don't know, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, if you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a nasty thumbs up. And don't be benchy. Go ahead and make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can become a fashionista and a tailor as well. So, bye.